In many cultures, politeness is more than courtesy, it is a communication strategy. People choose respectful language to maintain harmony, avoid embarrassment, and protect professional relationships. In a multilingual audit, this politeness can hide disagreement, dilute critical information, and weaken the clarity of findings. Operators may disagree internally, but externally they respond with softened language designed to avoid friction. This is politeness masking disagreement, and it quietly distorts the integrity of the audit. Why politeness overrides honesty? Different cultures value directness differently. What sounds neutral in one environment may sound harsh or disrespectful in another. 1. Teams avoid strong negative words. Instead of saying incorrect, wrong, or non-compliant, they use alternatives like not ideal, could be improved. This is not the best way. The auditor hears a suggestion, not a failure. 2. Disagreement becomes indirect. Disagreeing openly with an auditor, manager, or colleague may be culturally unacceptable. So concerns are expressed as gentle hints or vague comments instead of direct statements. 3. Critical issues are hidden behind respectful phrases. People may soften serious issues to avoid conflict or embarrassment. The more hierarchical or high context the culture, the stronger this effect becomes. By the time the message reaches the auditor, the severity of the issue is lost. Why this is dangerous in auditing? When politeness reshapes communication, auditors may underestimate risk, misunderstand process failures, accept suggestions instead of evidence, overlook non-compliance, misjudge the seriousness of an issue, leave the site with incomplete or inaccurate findings. A soft answer can hide a hard reality. Real examples auditors see often. Behind polite phrasing, you may find real disagreement. We try to follow that, we don't follow that. It's mostly fine, it's not fine. We could maybe improve this area is failing. It's not a big concern, it's a major concern. We will look into it, we cannot do this now. These phrases can completely reverse the meaning of the message when left unchallenged. Why standard audit methods don't catch this? Traditional questioning assumes directness. But in multilingual audits, questions like, is this correct? Do you follow this procedure? Does this meet the requirement? Invite polite agreement, not real information. Auditors must use techniques that bypass politeness entirely. What auditors should do immediately to uncover disagreement hidden behind respectful language. 1. Ask for direct evidence, not opinions. Replace abstract questions with concrete requests. Show me where this requirement is met. 2. Request demonstration instead of verbal confirmation. Actions reveal what polite words hide. 3. Rephrase answers to check accuracy. So you're saying the requirement is not met here, correct? This forces clarity without violating cultural norms. The insight. Politeness protects relationships, but it must not protect non-compliance. Hidden risk number 11 reminds auditors that kindness, respect, and professionalism are valuable, but evidence must always speak louder than courtesy.